awards, resumption, especially recognizing our partners and stakeholders in the tourism industry.
Napaka-importante po na bigyan natin ng pagbubuhay at karangalan yung nagbibigay ng pride and continued source of livelihood sa ating bansa, yung ating mga tourism stakeholders. Kaya naman po, under the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., ay ginawa po natin itong inaugural Philippine Tourism Awards, kung saan binibigyan natin ng recognition yung ating mga tourism enterprises, properties, hotels, destinations, individuals who have all contributed to the thriving industry that continues to provide millions of jobs to our Filipinos.
How they were chosen?
Yes, the Philippine Tourism Awards honors excellence in the industry. And that is why it went through a very rigorous process of nomination, selection, and judging. Nagkaroon po tayo ng National Executive Committee composed of various government agencies. And yung judges naman po natin was a composite of the public and the private sector. Both experts, consumers, as well as industry leaders. And syempre, to make sure of the transparency of the entire process, we contracted a third-party auditor to tabulate all of the results and to ensure that the entire process was transparent as well as complied with all of the criteria.
So now, can we expect that this award will happen year after year?
The Philippine Tourism Awards is designed to occur every 2 years. Yes, and we are very hopeful that by recognizing excellence in the industry, that it will inspire more Filipinos to avail of our tourism products and services and to contribute to Philippine tourism dahil napakalaking tulong po ito sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. Well, of course, the recognition in and of itself is a badge of excellence. And it will encourage our tourists as well as our stakeholders to avail of the products and services of these awardees, them having gained the recognition and stamp of approval of our industry experts who judge these many categories of awards.
On other matters, you will be facing the Senate for your budget deliberation. Are you confident that you will give you the budget that you asked for?
Yes, we will soon be facing the Senate deliberations for the budget of the Department of Tourism. We will be presenting the performance of tourism in the past year, as well as be very forthright about the challenges that we have faced, especially in terms of tourism funding. And that is why it is our hope that by putting forth both the challenges as well as the gains, that we would be able to elicit support from our supporters.
Secretary, hopefully you'll be para sa promotions, hopefully makuha natin yung expected budget for 2026.
Hirap po tayo naman sa ating mga direct competitors sa ASEAN sa napakaliit na promotions natin. Kaya naman po, we are very hopeful na madagdagan po ito dahil kinakailangan po talaga. Gusto po natin na maging globally competitive yung Pilipinas and top-of-mind destination in the entire world. Kinakailangan po na gawin din natin competitive yung funding natin for tourism.
So you guys the Secretary is needed inside for
more awards. Salamat! Thank you everyone!